Hannah. I'm in the Coco Kitchen today with coconut bowls. I'm from Healthy Luxe and I'm going to be making my vegan chocolate cheesecake. So the ingredients for the base, we just have some macadamias, some shredded coconut, medjool dates, and just a bit of water. You can also add a pinch of salt if you'd like. And then for the filling, it's just cashews, coconut cream or coconut milk, coconut oil, tahini or nut butter, maple syrup, cacao powder, and a bit of vanilla. So I'm making this recipe because one of my key focuses is trying to create healthy alternatives for desserts for people who are transitioning to a healthier lifestyle and think you can only eat greens and vegetables and you can't eat any desserts. This is just one of my favorite recipes.